Welcome to another episode. Don't exactly know what we're doing today, but I think we're going to work on the S14, do some braided brake lines and stuff. That's cool. I think we're doing a oil change on the R31, so we're going to have to push the skyline out. And yes, I'm going to eat some breakfast. Here's the man of the hour, Mr. S14. What are we doing today besides drinking coffee?
Well, we're going to do the brake lines. Going to give a bit of a brake fluid flush and bleed the brakes, I guess. Just on a track day, make it all look good.
Nice. Yeah, and sorry for all the noise. As you can tell, it's a stupid building being made and can't do anything about it. So this is just what we have to deal with at the moment. It's okay, you can edit everything out. He's back, boy! Hold on. Oh, brilliant. Okay.
Brake lines.
Whoop. Yes.
Braided brake lines. Better than rubber. Not so spongy. Brakes. Good. Gotta do it.
Good.
Good.
GKTech.
Yes.
So these are apparently supposed to just go straight in.
Good.
Replacement. Yeah.
Good.
Good.
Good. Good. Good. Good. Have you got handbrake on?
Doesn't work. No rear brakes.
Good. It's moving!
Perfect. It's an R31. Oh. So we're taking off the old brake lines and we're just going to compare it to the new ones to get, so we know roughly which ones are which. So take off the little locking thing there, start unbolting it, drain out the fluid, got a little container, should be enough, and then we'll hopefully install the new ones. It's the clip off, and as you can see, it was extremely dirty. We did a quick trip to the shop to get some WD-40 because these are some stubborn lines. About like 20 minutes later we finally get it. It was so stubborn that we had to get vice grips on the top and then just kind of crack it. So we got it, but it's just going to be interesting to get it back on and somewhat tight. The car was working on the 31 still.
Oh, hey.
That's full lot. Yeah, still good.
Didn't move, yeah.
Still lurking, ready to get some work done to it. But not yet. So how'd the fronts go?
Yeah, good. A lot easier going in than trying to get the old ones out. A bit more WD-40 to be sure.
So, what have you done?
Done the rear. A lot easier. We got the clip back on top and we got a few washers on the bottom one. This all feels nice and tight without going stupid tight. So I think I'm happy with that. Alright, on to the next corner.
Cool. Good luck. Climb out the window.
It's alright, I'm thin. Ah, I hit it. It's alright. My foot got caught. Okay!
No one would have a spare cup with them.
No. So we are now just setting up stuff to bleed the brakes. So we just got a bottle which is going to be where the old fluid and whatever is going to be flushed into. And we just got a hole on the lid. I'll show you. Or Jesse will show you. Like so. The hose itself's a bit dirty, but it's all we had on us at the moment, so still do the job. You're going to open up the nipple on the back of the caliper where the brake fluid comes out. I'm going to push my foot down and leave it until it stops kind of moving a bit. Then you close it, and then I'll take my foot off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Nah.
Ugh.
I have to loosen it. So that's all. Lead, new lines are in. We just have to test it.
Yeah. It's been a long day.
It sure has. It was sunny before. Oh, it's still sunny. We got dirty years.
Too dirty.
Dirty.
You need a shower.
Dirty.
Yes. Wait.
Oh. Did you say bog? Bog. Jess, are we gonna do a send off?
Can send off with his butt.
Alright. This is me, Corey, sending off, and Jesse's butt. Bye.
Bye.